Hi guys, welcome to the module on reference management system. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the concept of reference management system and see what it can do for you. So, what do you mean by a reference management system? If you have ever found yourself struggling to format a bibliography or finding it difficult to insert a citation or reformatting each citation in your paper because you need to submit that manuscript to another journal which has a completely different style guide to the one you used for the first journal, you will likely benefit from using a reference management system. Usually, researchers have to handle large amounts of data that are pulled out from previous publications and the conversation involved in presenting those scientific discovery. It always involves a multitude of voices, right? So, keeping track of these voices can be toilsome, and writing literature reviews often demands a large amount of time during the manuscript drafting phase. Hence, this is where the reference management system can help you simplify the manuscript writing process so that you can focus on the other aspects of research with ease. So, a reference management system is nothing but a software used for recording and utilizing bibliographic citations. Once a citation has been recorded, it can be used time and again in generating bibliographies with ease, such as a list of references in scholarly manuscripts, articles, and projects. A reference management system enables you to collect references, store references and notes, organize references, format references in a required referencing style in order to create a bibliography, insert in-text citations into a document as you type. This is what we already mentioned it as cite while you write concept. So this will also generate a reference list or a bibliography at the end of your document based on those citations as well. Okay, so how does a reference management software work? These software packages normally consist of a database in which full bibliographic references can be entered. Plus, you'll have a system for generating selective lists of articles in different formats required by the publishers and scholarly journals. Modern reference management packages can be integrated with various word processors like MS Word or LibreOffice so that a reference list in the appropriate format is produced automatically as article is written, reducing the risk that cited source is not included in the reference list. So they will also have a facility for importing the details of publications from various well-known bibliographic databases as well. It does not do the same job as a bibliographic database, which tries to list all the articles published in a particular discipline or a group of disciplines, right? Such bibliographic databases are large and have to be housed on major installation, which requires a vast server. But reference management, on the other hand, allows you to collect a much smaller database of the publications that have been used or more likely to be used by a particular author or a group of authors, and they can be easily housed on an individual's personal computer. So, in short, reference management software collects bibliographic information from various sources and stores it as part of its own library. So, you can use them to manage these references, including organizing them into folders and attaching or viewing PDFs. These references can be then cited in the written work, whether through a plugin that works directly from the reference management program to a word processing or text processing application or through a copy and pasting method. So references and libraries can also be shared with others for working collaboratively. So with the ever increasing global research network, many researchers find it to be beneficial with a member of a discipline specific professional research work, but most reference management systems do not require a membership to be able to use their desktop software. Instead, the most common use for reference management is for maintaining a local digital library so that researchers can easily insert citations and automatically create a bibliography for their manuscript.